Hi, I'm Vicky. Thank you for visiting China Sourcing, also known as China Synergy Group. Our business started in 2003 and has over 100 staff now in Shanghai. We provide professional sourcing services such as factory finding, quotation, and quality control. We work in two kinds of sourcing services. One is general product sourcing, also called merchandising. In this case, we supply off-shelf products that are already on the market. For example, we supply to many Amazon sellers now at very low wholesale prices. The other is custom manufacturing. It typically involves an engineering drawing. We are familiar with manufacturing process such as plastic molding and metal fabrication. Our English-speaking engineers will work closely with you and give you the technical support. We understand that for custom manufacturing projects, clear communication is vitally important. Comparing to other Chinese sourcing firms, we are bigger, stable, and has less resource constraints. We don't just consult or broker deals, we are your China liaison to solve the problem and get things done. Our diligent team of quality inspectors are professionally trained and minimize the risks when you receive them. We also strive to provide the lowest possible price on the market and are willing to do price match. Once you give us an RFQ, we will contact you within 24 hours and quote as soon as possible. What are you waiting for? Contact us now and let's get started.